Hello! Welcome to a tutorial video for the Strike and Dip Virtual Reality tool. Today I will be showing how to take strike and dip measurements. The first step is to move to the slope that you would like to measure. Clicking the Next Stop button on the main menu will teleport you to the next location. Next, retrieve the compass tool by opening the Tools menu and clicking the Return Compass button. Grab and position the compass horizontally across the slope you would like to measure. Then, open the menu and click the Save Strike button. Now position the compass vertically down the dip of the slope. Open the menu and click the Save Dip button. You have now successfully saved a set of strike and dip measurements. To view all of your saved strike and dip measurements, open the Data menu. Some levels have built-in error checking that will display a red box over any incorrect measurement.